Hey, what's up, chat? How's it going, guys? Here we are, outdoors. After the great northeastern snowstorm in the Schuylkill River, sorry, here in Philly. As you see, the Schuylkill is kind of frozen. Yeah, I don't really see any water running. My eyesight could be bad though, but it's frozen to me. Here we are though at the trail. I've been bored, been stuck inside since Saturday night. Today is Tuesday night. It's about 11:41 p.m. And yeah, just been really bored, stuck inside and for some fresh air. I've only been outside to clean my car, warm it up, and get some food. Well, right around the corner, but here's the river. I don't know what this black thing is though. Looks like a boot, shoe of some sort. Oh yeah, the water's over there. See little pouches of water. Something's coming. Oh, it's a train. Oh, this train's gonna be really long, I'm pretty sure. Oh man, I want to take a picture on the tracks. Hopefully it's not that long. Yeah, here's the water. There's the train. Just took a picture from the other side over there, facing this way. I kind of like this orange light. I paired it up with this yellowish light. I think it goes well. There's an FMC building. To let you know where we are. Basically underneath Market, which is this street, and that would be Chestnut. So I'm gonna walk to the park on the other side. See what's going on over there. But yeah, other than that, it's kind of cold. I have a jacket and this puffer on, as well as a beanie, my hood on, gloves for at least upper body. Lower body is a little cold though. I only have some like sweat pants kind of thing, like sweat joggers, and shorts underneath those. So I would say like my crotch area and my thighs are pretty warm, but at pretty much knees and below, very cold. My feet are fine though. I'm wearing Pandas with just one pair of socks, so nothing crazy. Sorry, I'm trying to put on my glove here. But you know, where there's a will, there's a way, and I don't mind the cold too much. And I don't think I'll be out here this long either. I've been out for quite a bit. I have to go visit my brother. So I'm pretty bored. His apartment. Yeah, well, there's 76. All those cars speeding by. Yeah. Seems like they cleaned up a little bit over here. This little curve. Maybe not so much. Let's see, going down there. Okay, so yeah, I can see how it's difficult to clean here, right on this curve and underneath this. Oh, there's some cameras there. I didn't even know that. They're probably watching me. It's fine. They're like, what is this crazy guy doing here by himself? Although I don't believe I'm by myself. I definitely know there's someone else here. Just don't know where. Not following me. I'm just saying, like, definitely not the only person on the trail. That's why I keep looking over my shoulder. Never know when someone's gonna approach, whether from behind, from front. But yeah, kind of here looking for some photo ops, some good pictures I could take of anything really, because I haven't been outside much, or I have, but not really, I guess, photo hunting or any opportunities have presented itself that have good pictures quality, like I guess picture potential. So I've been just working pretty much 5 days in the office. By the time I come out, it's like pretty dark, and I don't want to do anything besides go home. Still force myself to go to the gym sometimes. Oh wow, nice. The train's over. So I'm gonna go to like this like intersection right over there. I think right there should be these green things are. Yeah, it crosses over to the other side. And I want to see if I can get a picture, nice picture of this of the train tracks. Yeah. That's the plan. But yeah, I just want to get some pictures. I mean, obviously I'm not expecting anything great, you know, considering the time and the weather. I mean, the snow looks nice, don't get me wrong, but I'm not a fan of snow at all. I hate cleaning it, I hate driving in it, so. But it's nice to play in, you know. Maybe not now, because it's like really hard. Here, I'll show you. So you got the snow here, right? Yeah, it's very hard. You can barely step into it. It's iced up. Okay. No, follow me, we're good. But yeah, here we are. Okay, maybe the intersection isn't here. Maybe it's a little farther down. There's some cool mural there. It's about like baseball, I see. Phillies. Is it all Phillies? Yeah, it seems like it. But yeah, nice day, I guess. Very calm, very serene, very quiet. Looking at my shoulder. But yeah. FNC building. Oh, I'm not really that close to home. I'm kind of close, but you know, it's still a walk back. So I have to consider that. I also don't want to be out too late. You know, I don't want to get too cold either, especially from my waist down. But kind of like this. It reminds me of when I was in Korea, when I was in Seoul. I was by myself. Oh, I see there's someone else out there now. Orange. I'm not gonna say much though, but let's see them there. But yeah, chat. I'm trying to find this overpass. It might be up ahead. Oh, there's the bathroom. And where is this? It should be ahead. I think. I keep saying that. I hope it is. Yeah, I think it is. I see like stoplights. Oh, sorry, that was super blurry. Yeah, I think. Oh, there's a train stop there. Is it gonna move? Not sure. If so, if it doesn't move, just kill the whole purpose. I came down here. Check behind my back. There's nothing. Yeah, but this is it. And it stopped. This is a railroad crossing. And it's closed. I don't know if this is on purpose. Yeah, there was a guy standing over there. He's not there anymore. I don't know where he went. Following me, so he's not following me. He had an orange hat. Like an older guy with a beard. It's fine though. Yeah, this is where I wanted to go. Railroad crossing. I wanted to go like over there and take a picture going either this way or the other way. It's fine. Maybe I could just take a picture of the train. Maybe that would be cool. Oh, there's some joggers over there. So I guess I'm not low. I knew it. But I don't really feel in danger at all. See, like those are the other guys. I hope they don't approach me. I'll keep the camera on just in case though. I want to see if I can get in here though. Maybe you won't be able to reach here. There's people have come here before. Maybe I should step where people have stepped before. That wouldn't be a bad idea. Where are those runners? Yeah, they're over there. Little tweakers following me. Okay, yeah, we're good. Well, yeah, this is it. There's a camera here somewhere. Yeah, it's up there. Oh, they're watching me. Some of them don't touch anything, I guess. But yeah, taking a good camera angle. Maybe like here. I'm gonna get a picture of the snow. Maybe there have been footsteps. They hopped over. Yeah, probably so. Probably hopped over. But yeah, I'm gonna take a picture here and probably head out soon because it's getting a little late and I don't want to be out here too late either. So thank you for your support.